Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to Missouri State Parks. Well, this is Knoster State Park. We're going to enjoy about 4 days here, visiting with my grandson and my son and his wife. So we're going to have a pretty good weekend. Something that a lot of the parks are starting to do now is they stock ice, and many of them you can buy your firewood here too. One of the things about it, they have a saying, you know, burn it where you buy it, trying to keep boerworms to a minimum. I mean, they transport them in wood from one area to another, so we never haul wood from one campground to another campground. If we've got extra wood, we always leave it for the next guy. And just across from there is the shower house. No ATVs, and keep your pets on a leash, which is a good idea. And over in the distance, looks like they got a little basketball court. So there's some activities for the kids. There goes some folks bicycle riding, which is popular up here. Well, we can't go that way, Spike. This is Knoster State Park, and its lake, I have no idea how to pronounce that area. But I'm going to find out. I'm going to ask the campground host exactly how to pronounce that. I don't want to do it wrong, and there's many ways I could do that wrong. Well, let's go down and check out the lake. He's a water dog, so he likes to get around the water. Here. A little spot right there where you can go down and fish. And I don't know what kind of fish there are in this lake, but I can find out. Cool. Right. Well, let me find the next trail marker. You ready, Spike? Well, we have two trails. One is blazed in brown, the other's blazed in red. One's a 1 mile loop and one's 1.7 miles. So I think we may walk a little of this. because there is Spike the Wonder Dog. Ready, Spike? It's a nice shot of the lake here in the park. Slow down, dog. Trail's a little bit on the rough side. Of course, not everybody stays on the trail. Oh, watch out for the tripwire. Get over here. Get over here. There you go. Remember, you are always welcome in Missouri State Parks.